Family Organizing Solutions. myOrganized.life, June 7th, 2018. And it's Thursday.
It's Thursday.
Already. This week has been zooming by.
I think it's been going slow, actually.
Oh, really?
So I'm probably waiting for vacation. I'm anticipating
Yes.
vacation, so then it crawls by.
When is that vacation?
Next week. So are you going to do a solo show, or are we going to go on? Are we going to go dark for 5 days?
No, we have, this show must go on.
Okay, there you go. He's going to be by himself.
Maybe I will audition new co-hosts.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go.
You know, there's a bunch of people in the building who all want to be on the show.
I'm surprised our door is not getting banged on right now because
yeah.
people want to be in the studio.
They want to be on the show. It's kind of like a status thing.
It is.
Yeah,
It is.
I know.
It's pretty cool.
Well, we'll see.
Okay.
You know, but we want you to relax while you're on vacation.
I will.
Right?
Don't worry. I won't have any contact.
Yes.
I don't have any cell phone service up there, so
Right.
you can't get a hold of me even if you wanted to.
Okay. Well,
sorry.
I can't like send something by FedEx.
I suppose if you really wanted to.
Okay, but I don't know where you're going. I don't really want to go. No, vacation is a time to get away from it all.
Yes.
Now, first though, we need to say welcome to myOrganized.life Live. Why are these two people talking? Who are these two people? I'm John Hunt.
I'm Leanne Thompson.
And this is the show where we give you organizing tips, advice. We beg for your comments almost on a daily basis.
Yep.
Even by coming up with things like, do you have a summer vacation like Leanne planned?
Where are you going?
Yeah. Well, they don't have to tell if they don't want to, but like,
okay.
Or what would be your dream summer vacation?
Oh,
you
there
put
you
that
go.
down in the
Okay,
comments.
that's a good one.
We're not gonna. We have way too much to cover today, so we can't get into the details of your vacation.
No,
so.
people don't want to know anyway.
But I can ask you, you're going as a family, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is this family activity organized?
As in, are we organized already to go?
Yeah. Are you ready to go?
I started packing last night.
Who is the kind of like the linchpin who's organizing this trip?
Well, it's my family, my parents, and my brother's family.
Oh.
So, you know, we're all kind of in charge of our own families. But
a lot of negotiation going on.
in my little family of four, I am the one that is getting on top of things.
Getting things done. Okay, well, we would hope that too, since you are the co-star of this highly rated Facebook program.
Right, that is
which you
right.
can also get on YouTube, by the way, after we post it. But we just do all this as a long intro to Family Organizing Solutions.
Yes.
Come on, let's get to the meat of the show.
Because we've been talking about family stuff this week with Amy Tokus, and we did the article on what to do when summer lets or school lets out, stuff like that. So
you already know what you're going to do. I'm going to be back here slaving. You're going to be like
slaving,
fishing or something.
I will be fishing.
I know.
I got a new fishing pole.
Did you really?
Drew surprised me with it the other day.
Cool.
I know. So I'm kind of excited about that.
So now here's the ultimate question: do you bait your own hook, or is he going to have to like put the little worm on?
If it's just, I'll do that. I don't take the fish off. I'm
You'll
afraid of getting poked.
You'll touch the worm?
Yeah, that doesn't bother me.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't bother me.
Good.
Yeah.
Hey, this should be good. We're going to be waiting.
Maybe I'll take some pictures and share them on the show when we get back.
I caught. This is the one I caught, but the one that I caught and got away
was this big. No, I'll probably catch like 5 sunfish, and that'll be it the whole trip.
It's a lot of fun. No, you'll let Natalie get her.
She's got a fishing pole
and then
too.
you won't have any time to fish because all you'll be doing is managing her.
I know, exactly.
It's fun though.
It is fun.
Good time.
Okay, but we're talking about organizing family stuff, and we talked about kids earlier this week. School's out, so I thought about what can we organize for kids and their schoolwork, but that doesn't really kind of play into our whole thing right now. So
organizing.
I thought we could
There are tools that people can use.
There are tools, and we could put a different spin on it.
Yeah.
So we're going to start with the Poly Stack It Organizer.
Right.
And this is
number 87006, although this one looks, is that the right color?
This is the right color.
Yeah, 87006. It comes in a couple different colors. So you can go to myOrganized.life or Smead.com and look for the Poly Stack It Organizer. This is a cool product, though. I actually really like this one. Let's kind of, first of all, it's
vertical oriented, which everything in this today is
people would call that too.
Portrait,
right?
yeah. Everything in our little demo today is portrait.
Oh, okay, cool.
So this opens like this.
All right.
And then you have these 2 pockets that fold down.
Wow.
And so there's a total of 3 pockets. 1, 2, then one on the back. 3.
Let me take this and move it over here to our detail camera. where you can see, first of all, the flap goes up. Now, what's neat about this vertical organizing, this is kind of how you actually read.
Right.
And so if you have documents in there, say, for example, you're going on a trip next week.
Yes,
you could put your travel documents in here.
Your
you could
menu,
put
your reservations.
Menus, yeah. So this has got 3 pockets. What's neat about this too, I like this little feature.
Whoa, the tuck in flap.
Tucks in there, so it kind of stays secure.
Yep. And I thought this would be a great thing for, say, your children are in sports or something, and you're helping coach.
Oh yeah.
This is poly, so it's waterproof. You can put schedules in here, rosters, and just
game plans,
and carry it with you. And it's lightweight, it's compact.
Yeah.
And it would just be a nice thing to have on the field or whatever.
Awesome. Okay, let me put the slide back up again. 87006, the Poly Stack It Organizer, and I think they come in like multi-packs. So you can
there's black and there's this blue. Yeah. And might be one other color, red maybe.
I think there's a red one too.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Awesome.
Next.
Oh, this is a fun one.
This is a fun one, and it's kind of aimed at school, but we can use it for other stuff too.
I think there's summer school too, you know.
There is summer school.
We had that comment yesterday about how when I was growing up,
yes,
you know, summer school started like about a week after, you know, school let out. It was very disappointing.
Okay, yeah.
This is 87911.
Coloring folders.
Yeah, so now it is like a 2-pocket folder.
It is just your very basic 2-pocket folder. And what's nice about these is they come in a variety of designs. There's subjects and there's just regular designs, and the kids can color them.
Okay, I'm going to take this over to the detail camera here, and if you can see, you have this area on the outside of the folder.
And the inside.
On the inside here, where you can color.
Right.
So you can kind of doodle, and so it would work well for summer school too.
Summer school, or you know, if kids have activities and they want to keep all their paperwork in one, each child can color their own folder, and you can keep these on the counter or wherever you keep your paperwork, and just grab it when you need it.
They're very unique, so one kid's coloring will identify.
Exactly.
And I think in the pack it comes with a couple different designs.
Yes, there are a couple. There's a couple different designs right here.
Yeah, let's hold this other one. This is a little different one. This is kind of a
tree and a flower.
There's some little birds there. Kind of have a.
Yeah, those are.
I love it. It's just like going to a restaurant too. You know, you kind of color in.
That's a good idea. You could bring these to a restaurant and have your kids color while they're waiting for their food.
That's totally organized. So I'll put that slide back up again. That's coloring folders. 87911. Okay. And now what do we got here? This is
multi-pocket subject folder.
89203. Okay, so this is another Poly product, right?
Yep.
Okay.
And the one I'm showing, the one on the slide is a dark blue.
Okay.
The one I have in my hand is more of a, what would you call this?
I would call that like a turquoise or
teal. I get turquoise and teal mixed up.
Yeah. Well, teal. Actually, no. Maybe that is more of a teal one.
Okay. Anyway, this is another Poly folder, but it has 10 pockets inside.
Oh my goodness.
All the pockets are tabbed, so you can label them if you want. It comes with the little inserts to label. And just put whatever sort of paperwork you need in here. So it's, you know, it's kind of like a school subject, multi-subject folder. But it would also work at home for different activities through the kids.
It for business. It looks like there's a little business card die cut.
Right. Yep.
There are those little tabs right there that you can put into the.
Put your business card in.
It's kind of like a file folder, but it's got a pocket. You know, I don't think I've seen this product actually, because I know when we came out with our 24-pocket organizer, this is really good.
Yeah, it is.
I might just actually take this one.
You can take that back to your desk if you want.
Well, no.
Okay.
Anyway, but I think that's good too. It looks like it also has some expansion here available, so you could probably put quite a few papers in there, right?
Yeah, and you know, if you just have your whole summer schedule planned out in here. You could have a calendar in here and the paperwork that goes along with the events in each pocket.
Yeah.
So I think this is tons of options in here.
Great. So that's 89203, the multi-pocket subject folder.
Yeah.
Wow, now I feel like for families, we're pretty organized here.
I think so.
And I don't think people are going to have a shortage of activities.
I don't think so.
Right?
I don't think so. Everyone's swamped with stuff.
Lots of stuff going on.
The weekends are already filling up, flying by.
I was talking to a guy the other day. I said, well, hey, we should get a weekend or something where we can, hang out, do a barbecue or something. He goes, I have every weekend of my summer already planned. We have the whole summer planned. That's with something on every weekend. I go, oh, okay, we'll catch you next year then.
Catch you in the winter, I guess, when we're complaining about the snow.
That's right. Okay.
Yep. Okay.
Well, those are good organizing solutions for families. What am I supposed to do next Thursday for solutions? I'll have to come up.
I don't know. It's on the calendar. It's on the theme. I can't remember what it is.
Okay.
But it's on the calendar. So.
All right. Well, you're gonna
have
to tune in next week.
If you dare to do it by yourself, you can.
Yeah.
I'm handing you.
Hey, maybe we should have an audition, have a remote guest be a co-host.
That'd be fun.
So if you're watching right now and you think you could do a good job, we could hook you up by Skype or something like that.
I bet you I have 1 or 2 organizers that would be really interested in that.
I bet they would. But see, now, this is going to be the dedicated people who are watching to the end of the program.
That's
so
true.
if they didn't watch all the way to the end,
then they have no idea.
They have no idea that this is an opportunity. Put in the comments if you'd like to maybe co-host a show next week.
I would like to tune in for that, but again, I won't have service.
You can watch the replay. It's on Facebook and on YouTube afterwards too. So.
Right.
Wow.
Okay. And speaking of other websites, are we going to mention our discount code today?
Well, how could we not? It's the summer sale at myOrganized.life with 25% off. You just go to myOrganized.life. 25% off the whole store.
That's a good deal.
Great deal.
Yep, it is.
It's our summer sale. You can do it. In fact, let's just watch a little quick commercial about that. It's the summer sale at myOrganized.life with 25% off office products like file folders, hanging folders, accordion files, and presentation products. You can get it at myOrganized.life. That's myOrganized.life. 25% off all products. It's our summer sale at myOrganized.life. I just love
that commercial. You love watching yourself.
I love watching myself.
That's just. Let's just say what you really want to say. I love watching myself.
Well, I may have to do some more next week when you're gone, because when Leanne's gone, I get a little fun in the studio. Anyway, we want to give you the code FBHOT25. FBHOT25 will get you 25% off. You just go to the store, put the things in the cart, and enter that code. It takes 25% off.
Nice.
Sale through June 30th, 2018. So if you're watching this and it's like,
2019
or 2020
in October, then it's not good.
If you're binge watching the whole year of 2018, just call us or put in the comments. Maybe we'll give you a discount for doing that. So
that'd be pretty funny.
All right. Well, that's it. Tomorrow, Blogger Roundup, right?
Yeah, Blogger Roundup.
We'll have some good blogs for you tomorrow, and then we'll be done to the weekend.
Yes.
And we're done now, and that's it for today's myOrganized.life Live.